I need a man now. Oh. People. What happens if a man won't take me out? Actually, not won't. I choose not to because this generation, men are like cheat karke bhi. They're not even guilty about it. So I lost my hopes on men, and let's go for the self date. I have two options for the outfit. One is this one piece from local market that I bought, and one is this denim one piece. Let's see what we are going through today. Se pehle, we'll put the makeup on.
I'm in the water, nobody's son, nobody's daughter. Left foot, right foot, levitated. Pop star, do a lip with the babies. I had to let my shows for the blessings I was chasing. It was if I fall into a bad situation.
This kind of disturbing the face. कोई बात नहीं, नजर का टिक्का समझ लेंगे. Obviously I'm beautiful. Yeah, all set with the face. It's a short dress, like a long than Indian people society's mentality. थोड़ी सी लड़की लिपस्टिक ज्यादा क्या लगा लिया, घुरूर के देखेंगे मेट्रो में.
It is pretty. I have to check that.
Yeah.
Because it's a funny story. I was so many times embarrassed in the public places while unknown people coming and telling me that, ma'am, your dress tag is still on your dress. Please remove it. Honestly, they are finding a chance to talk with me because I'm stunning, no doubt in that. But
Still embarrassed. And I have this cute, perfectly matched butterfly ear. I guess I have to wear a lot of hand tags today because I don't have my watch. My mom stole it. Obviously, she paid for the watch. But even still, once it's mine, always it's mine. You know what is the best thing about self dates? There is no other person who's pushing you into the rush that kitna time logi, kitna ready hogi and all. You can go whenever you want, you can go wherever you want. Everything was like self-love. The special thing is my Versace perfume because trying to be rich, who's trying to look rich. I would rather regret it later, but and I would rather choose to cry in my heels than being in a toxic relationship. I don't know what's the reason, but today turning myself into this rage person who is against the relationship, love and everything. Middle class crisis. सेल्फ डेट पे हूँ इसलिए चलना पड़ रहा है. अगर कोई होता तो पिक कर लेगा, लेकिन लाइफ भर का ट्रॉमा दे देगा. Cafe nearby me for the brunch and I ordered a coffee and a sandwich. पीछे देखो. Actually, I felt bad when I came here by seeing those two people having a cute chat, but later that I realized that they are having a fight. This is why you should not have a relationship. Out of my cafe and the universe has sent me some mixed signals that I should buy my flowers. I'm customizing my bouquet. Ta-da! इसको बोलते हैं self love. Next we are going to the spa. Give a little peaceful treatment to ourselves. Seriously girl, listen to me. You can buy your own flowers and go on your date. Whatever you say, but the self treatment is the best thing that you have to get. This is what gives me butterflies, okay? My nail polish colors on a red carpet. Next part of our date is going to a new arts and event class. This is the place of social event where you can try new things like MDF painting, bottle painting, tote bag painting, everything.
Weekly water available. It's a tissue art painting. It's a glass painting, and this is the pom-pom letters one. And this are the. I chose the bottle painting, which is this. Let's hope मुझे तो कुछ आता नहीं है. मैं लैपटॉप लेके आई हूँ, उसमें कुछ देख के I'll try it. क्रिएटिव बनने का टाइम आ गया है. I came out guys. मुझे ये थोड़ा अंदर suffocating हो रही थी. Before doing the art and all, let's order some food क्योंकि हमको खाना खाए बिना कुछ भी स्टार्ट नहीं हो सकता है. ये है हमारा आर्ट सामान. बहुत पूरा स्क्रॉल करके I thought.
स्टिक तो मैं हूँ नहीं. Excuse me. I don't have white in this. Can you get that? The biggest confidence of me is that I can freeze men just calling excuse me.
All over my hands. मुझे ग्लव्स के लिए पूछना पड़ेगा शायद.
15 रुपये का ग्लास पे 20 रुपये का पेंटिंग लगा के 500 रुपये ले लेते. That is what business is.
गाइस मैं गलती से बोतल को पकड़ लिया. It was messy.
My food पूरा खाना आ. Finally, after 3 hours of struggle, I have done my painting. Yay! Self date. And this is the auto that I took, the sandwich that I ate, the bouquet, and the spa. Don't laugh. That is a spa thing.
And it is the socio table where I'm painting all of these things. I'm really proud of myself for this.
To have consequences like this. I need a man now. And for the evening walk, I came to Hussain Sagar. Wow, it is really peaceful. Dessert, and for the dessert, I grabbed strawberry with chocolate. I had such a peaceful day. I'm such an emotionally weak person, but if I can do it, you can do it. The intention of this vlog is don't crave for someone's love when you can love yourself this much.